It's time to check the markets now with business reporter Edward Boyd. Good afternoon to you, Ed. Now, a flat day for the stock market today, with technology stocks one of the weakest sectors.
Yep, tech stocks were the weakest performer today. The sector finished down about 1%, and it's not surprising because overnight on Wall Street in the United States, tech stocks were sold off pretty sharply. The Nasdaq, that's the tech index over there, finished down about 1.3%. Some of the biggest companies in America to lose value: Twitter down about 6%, Amazon down about 4%, and Apple as well down about 2%. So there was a big sell-off last night in the States, and that's come through to our market today. Tech sector was the weakest performer, and the biggest loser from the technology companies was Tyro. They're an FPOS terminal provider, and for the last week, up to 10,000 of their terminals have not actually been working for their small business customers. So Tyro are losing revenue, and they may not fix the problem for at least another week or so. So their share price dropped about 9.2% today. They were the worst of the tech companies. The overall market, though, it fell about 18 points, or just 0.3%.
Ed, I think I can relate to this, and many of us can. ANZ Bank survey shows consumers have started the year feeling less confident.
Yep, consumers have started the year feeling a bit flat. This is a weekly survey from ANZ and Roy Morgan. Sentiment was on the rise towards the end of last year, but if we look at this chart, you can see that's consumer confidence over the last 14 years. And there, at the global financial crisis, there was obviously a big dip in 2008. But since then, the next really big event was obviously 2020. You can see there, confidence was at its lowest around March last year, before it began to slowly rebound, and it was really picking up as we got into the end of the year, in December. And ANZ say confidence usually rises over the holiday period, but that did not happen at the end of 2020. They say it's probably due to the lockdown in Brisbane and the lockdown on Sydney's northern beaches, along with widespread border closures across the country. So that dented consumer confidence a bit, and it looks like we've started the year a little bit flat.
I think ANZ's onto something there. Ed, thank you so much for that update. We appreciate it.